Nice straight line, I say. It's a good machine. Bosch, obviously, you know, so has to be good. And this is our first try, so slowly we'll find the pattern and everything will go out. Okay. One more?
Yeah.
Okay, go one more then.
But I'm telling you, it's all stuck in there.
So you have to just push karo, pull karo into the basket, you know.
I don't have gloves on.
So put your gloves on, Shagor.
Mom, stop tearing off my upper. Don't be sick.
It's a bright sunny day after many weeks, or maybe after 2 months, you know. It had been raining, and that's why the long grass in our garden. And Shagor's first
There's actually quite a lot of space left.
grass cutting job with Bosch Rotak 34. It's a good machine. Slowly you'll get the grip and everything should be alright.
I'm telling you.
No, it should be alright. No need. Just make sure so this is the last part of the video because I need to do the finishing touch. Stop, it's full. So that's the sign that it's full and you need to change it. Okay? Hold on, I'm coming. Or maybe, yeah, put it inside.
Just a little bit more.
Okay, so try it.